Billiards is classified as one of the most widespread games around the world, as no Arab or Western city is without its own playing halls. And the term billiards is derived from the word billard, which means a wooden stick, and the word bile, which means a ball. This name also came from the content of the game, which depends on hitting balls with wooden sticks. It is in fact a game developed from the game of croquet that was played in Northern Europe and France during the 15th century, and then it was transferred to a wooden table, covered with green cloth to simulate grass with a frame containing holes to push the balls into. Adults and children came together to love billiards, and it occupied the gardens of nobles and kings and became widely known during that time. It was also called the noble game of billiards to the point that Shakespeare mentioned it in the famous play Antony and Cleopatra, and it developed a lot through the ages until it reached what it is today. The best billiard players in the world. Billiard player is selected based on the talent and skills he relies on, in addition to the number of competitions and tournaments he has participated in. Here is a list of the 10 best players in history. Buddy Hall, an American player, born in 1945. He played billiards at the age of 14 in a beverage store in his town, where the local private halls did not allow him to enter due to his young age. This did not prevent him from pursuing his dream, so he forged some papers to enter the billiard rooms, and it did not take long for him to become a name. He shined among his hometown, winning his first real game at age 17, playing professionally for 3 decades, and being named Player of the Year 3 times by National Billiard News. Johnny Archer, an American player, born in 1968. He won a World Billiards Championship in 2003 and was nicknamed Bill the Scorpion for his prowess and speed in defeating his rivals. He also won a large financial prize amounting to $50,000 in 2006, and reserved a place for him in the American Billiards Hall of Fame. Alison Fisher, a British player, born in 1968, proved to the world that this game is not just for men, as she was ranked among the best billiard players in the world, and won more than 50 titles, including the title of Best Billiard Player of 2007. She is also a former professional snooker player. Mike Sigel, an American player born in 1952. He won more than 108 professional billiards tournaments, was nicknamed Captain Hook the pirate character in the movie Peter Pan, and was also the youngest player to be granted a seat in the U.S. Congressional Hall of Fame, and ranked 5th among the best players of all time, according to a poll conducted by Billiards Digest magazine. Jeanette Lee, an American player of Korean origin, born in 1971. She was called the Black Widow because, despite her gentle behavior, she competes strongly and fiercely when she reaches the billiard table. She holds more than 72 world and national titles. She is distinguished by her professional and perfect playing. This is the first part of the best billiards player in the world. See part 2. The end. If you liked the video, don't forget to support us with a like and subscribe to the channel to receive all new